volatility a bit lower. I don't know if I get that, but either way, when we're taking out London session, Asia lows, previous day lows like we are, and we're leaving all those highs, I'm bullish into the morning, looking for at least those London highs.
We did just hit an area, back testing an area of support that I have on Qs. Let me see. Yeah, I have a zone down there. I mean, your previous week high is at like 618.50, but I have a zone underneath here down to like 619.20. And so far, it looks like we've kind of swept down there twice in the pre-market. Lower wicks, they're kind of just holding it right now. So do have an area of support just right below us on the Qs after this drop over the weekend. So you could see it maybe stall out a little bit right here and then see a little bit more of a bullish push within the first, hour or two within market open, just off that support, just to retest maybe even Wednesday's low on QQQ. If it holds here, bounces back up, you can see 621.7 area. And then you have the potential for the gap fill for the drop over the weekend. So you can see it move back up closer to that 623 area, which will be Friday's low as well. So I think you do have some little bit bullish sentiment here going into the open off this support. We'll see.
Ooh.
Nice bounce.
Yes, it is. I was short overnight. That worked out really nice.
Oh, were you? Very nice.
Went to sleep, set my stop loss.
Let's go.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning, everybody.
Okay, market's open.
Morning, Anna. Market is open.
There we go. Beautiful dump right there. 20-point gain on gold, covered a quarter.
Nice.
God, dude, metals. How about metals, man? Palladium's down 15%. That's nuts.
I'm watching IWM right here at Friday's close. Excuse my voice, I have a head cold.
I was going to say, damn. Feel better.
Thank you. I'll be okay. I just sound like shit.
I'll be recover quick.
Same.
Gold, go to the gap fill. 368.4, baby. About 30 points right here. Maybe bill breaker, 700 on NQ.
I'm long in queue. Risking new low day.
Reminder, if you're in the audience and you're enjoying the show every morning, make sure you like the spaces here. Make sure you're retweeting the spaces out. We appreciate you guys. Let's see. I still have that old gap that didn't get completely filled from last week.
Take some trims, put yourself in profit.
Look at Apple
Nice,
not carrying.
Tesla, downside candle.
Big bounce after clearing out that Friday low on IWM. And I was looking at that same gap that we never filled. We were getting pretty close to that one.
Yeah.
Ooh, IWM. Yeah, look at that candle out of the gate. That's that's insane.
Oh, damn.
Apple's doing good out of the gate, too.
Yeah, Apple upside, Tessie downside.
Nice.
Both
Bill
down
breaker,
on
25-point gain. Oh, here we go. 30-point gain, bill breaker. Sold half, MNQ.
Illegal.
Here we go, baby. 40-point gain right here.
Nice.
There you go. Crazy candles this morning.
Oh, wow, there.
Well. What do
Vic
we have
did
here?
open up like $2 higher, so.
That's exactly what I was about to say, because I was just about to bring up high size smaller, but dollar amount P&L still cooking. Always got to be adapting.
Next target, 10-minute 20 on MNQ, 728. But scale and trail stop loss if you're in profit here.
Microsoft upside candle.
If we get to 730s, I'll be all out my position. Stops and profit, I got majority off. So whatever happens.
Go to the VWAP. Come on, Joe.
Dude, I don't even have VWAP on my charts.
Oh my gosh.
No VWAP.
No. Volume profile and my two algos, that's it. The lowest, like there's a little volume void, and the top of that range is about 730s. Is where I got that from, and those prior lows. After that, POC's at 750s.
752.
Yeah, it looks like it wants to take a nice push here.
IWM tapped the 21 on the daily there at the bottom of that start, like around 250.
Tesla's down 2% still. Not really catching a bid yet. Nvidia's down 2%. UNH getting a nice pop this morning. The open.
UNH.
Google's holding up stronger, it looks like.
I'm all out there.
UNH does look good. Good morning.
See, to the 731.75, I think we can get to a London high.
Big push on silver.
Oh, yeah. Bumping.
There we go, IWM. If you took calls off that second push I said I liked. I'm trimming here. And I apologize for my voice again, guys.
Let's go, baby. Look at NQ. I said VWAP. Let's go.
Here's your ripper on SPY and Qs off that support. Qs is coming up straight to that first big target we were just talking about.
Comes your London high, 804.
VWAP on the chart, brother.
80
80-point gain right here. 3/4 MNQ.
Shit. VWAP. There it is. All right, so there's your target hitting on SPY and Qs. Now Qs can potentially get the gap fill again. Big target upside around 623 area now.
5-point gain, MNQ, sold down to the runners, GG no re. Welcome back, everybody.
Yes, welcome back.
Look at this.
50% on IWM. I've got 10 left on that as well.
I love when we show up and just give the exact game plan 5 minutes before the market fucking opens. Awesome.
Oh, what a ripper.
There's your London high. Midnight open still is.
I'm looking for 842 on NQ.
I like Microsoft calls.
Yeah, that one's been good this morning.
did.
Tesla just had a nice pop, but they slammed it straight back down. You don't look good.
Okay.
I trimmed out both the positions of the cruise lines, CCL and NCLH, this morning.
Next target I have is at 856.
Beijing cruise line dropping it low. Shorty got low.
Oh shit.
Why do I feel like Microsoft premiums are freaking expensive? Shorty had those apple bottom jeans. The boots, they did have fur.
Let's go, gold. Gap fill 368. We're only 20 points away.
Microsoft 500s for January 16 are bad. They're just $380 a contract, but
Microsoft's one of the only ones looking good with Apple right now.
yeah.
The metals in the daylight was nuts.
Yeah, I want nothing to do with that.
ES is stolen at session POC 6964. Same thing with flying.
Stuck at this 800 right now.
Gold dumpy.
Very dumpy.
APP $700 call just came in for January 16 above the ask. They bought them around $30, just over $6 million worth of that single order down here on this dip. I actually don't hate that for a day trade either off this area.
Ooh, ASTS, let's go. My swing, my swang.
UU is actually up today.
You.
Soldier Boy ticker.
Yeah, the uranium names are actually catching a bit. CCJU, the URA ATF is up almost 2%, which is interesting considering that other metals are just falling off a cliff.
We're just chopping up this London high right now. break at that midnight level.
Oh, wasn't looking.
Yeah, subtracting session here, see that.
Wow, path came all the way back. It's about to go green. I mean, about to go over 17. Okay, MQ a little bit weaker. Come down to the 760s. See if it holds. If not, bye-bye.
I think they pushed it over for a new high. Might wait another 5, but yeah, flagging it a bit.
Microsoft new high.
Yes, did not take out the London high. And Q did.
So a majority of my SPY 688 put swings at the open for 45%. I only have runners left on the lotto. It breaks back above previous day low. That was kind of my stop for that one. They're back up 28% here. Good rejection.
Trailing stop
right
loss
there.
hit, remainder in profit there, MNQ.
Nice.
What's NVIDIA doing?
Path on that.
Kind of want to do something stupid like long silver right here.
Oh boy. Dow flipped around completely. Or 2S trying to.
Who said anything was stupid?
Microsoft flipping green. Netflix having a decent morning too.
Take a little trade on SLV $70 calls. January 16, small 277.
For core weave circle just straight up this morning.
Yeah, Core Weave and Circle are doing good. You have Coin doing good.
Yeah.
Still like the Microsoft 500s as well.
A lot of edgeful data specifically on midnight open this morning is horrible. Actually says we will have no chance of retracing there, so that's rough.
Waiting for some trades.
Back up 40% on 5
Maybe
foot.
London highs is it? I thought we'd get even higher, to be honest. But with that data telling me there's 100% chance that we do not retreat, it's a little rough.
I think we're gonna push the lows.
I'm gonna take a little short scalp on gold here, 10-minute green.
Microsoft new high day.
Damn.
Yeah, Microsoft's been good.
Yeah. She's looking spicy.
Yeah, I've got some February monthlies on Microsoft I bought last week.
Casey, I know you like Adobe, but it is looking. I mean, wait, I don't know why it sounded like I was gonna say something bad, but it is looking good here.
Yeah, let me pull up Adobe real quick. Holy bejeebus, yeah. Nice candle here.
Mm-hmm.
On Adobe. Hitting previous day high. It closed the swing for a loss last time because it took 1,000 years. It's back at near the same spot. We're not be looking to take it again. Same trade. Oh, whoa. They're gonna fill that order? Let's see. Oh, they filled my order on silver trim, the premiums.
Hey.
Silver's barely moving. The premium's now 300 here.
They just expanded.
Yeah, and it filled the fucking order.
Nice.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. It went back to 66 and the premiums are up $20. I know. Let's go. I love 5-minute candles that retrace, but my calls increase in value. That's incredible. That's what we love to see. Adobe. All right, got an alert on AVGO. I need to close this. I need to look to open up Adobe and Microsoft here.
Sorry, I look like shit. Such an unorthodox setup this morning, to me at least. Like the downside, I'm saying. The way we just kind of rolled over. We did take London session highs, but no real structure built there or anything.
Yeah, we're gonna have low volume all week, I think, too.
Yeah, YM did bounce the opening price. I was getting slapped though. It was really rolling over. Circle's starting to dip a bit.
Test. Another back test rejection on Tesla. I mean,
Tesla's looking rough.
yeah, I almost feel like it seems too easy, but
I was still chilling under POC.
Yeah, I'm just
Full
waiting
time,
here.
about to be 10 o'clock. 4-hour candles opening.
I sold my longs on ASTS on the move up here. I'm just waiting for the market to give me something now.
Good morning.
Good morning, Sniper.
Good morning.
Oh my God, Jordan, you had me in the airlock for like 20 minutes.
Oh, sorry, brother. I'm doing 1,000 things.
You're good, man. You're good. I just gotta say something. I just gotta give you a little bit.
No, it's what you looking at spreads.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it another.
Put spreads coming in the morning, but now I don't.
I'm gonna give it another 30 minutes.
Buenos dias.
Long gone now.
Buongiorno.
What's up, Eva?
What is up? What an opening drive.
Morning.
Oh yeah. Beautiful move to London High.
It's a beautiful Monday today.
Let's see if we can pick up the highs again. But I don't know. It's starting to look rough.
I think they've had too much to eat from Christmas, so they're still hibernating.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's another slow week. New Year's.
Yeah, usually it is.
Like,
Yeah, the big boys come back next month anyway.
Yeah.
let's take out the lows again.
You got IWM going to the lows. IWs. Amazon's at the highs. Everything else is really not.
Palantir just took out the lows again. It's a nasty gap down this morning. It's a nice gap to be filled in the future. I'm trying to hold on here to see if something happens going into 10 o'clock, but I'm pretty buff after we took out those London session highs. Never did on ES. Yeah, thank you.
Did Trading do update for anybody else over the weekend?
No.
Yes. Yeah, it's gonna look a little tad bit different, especially the top left corner. You're gonna see that new feature they added next to where you type in your ticker.
What is
Yeah,
that?
mine's been like this for a while now, but yeah.
Oh yeah, I've had that for a bit.
Oh yeah, I've had that.
That was not there that last week for me.
Had it for about 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've had it for about. Honestly, what they just
updated the like trading
It must be behind
station.
trading.
Okay, I get it. Everybody's cooler than me, but
Oh, no,
Cool new
it wasn't
feature.
me. I just got it too, Stock Sniper. So I'm with you.
Go up
Yo, I
and
like
gain
the
gold,
Christmas
covered
picture.
a quarter.
I appreciate it.
Okay, come on, let's see.
To see highs.
We're
Start
pending
volume?
home sales at 10.
Yes, we do.
About 2 minutes.
SPY volume's at 6.84 million, which is a lot higher than I anticipated to be at this time on Monday.
I was surprised too when that candle came in. I was like, okay, I guess we're awake.
Yeah, VIX shot up to 15, like 1360 on Friday. So, and a little bit of volatility. Looks like this number's going to come out and just fucking right goes to the lows.
What numbers do we have?
There's just no setup for me to short this,
We have data, Jordy.
depending on sales.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I tried to short it at POC, but just never got filled.
I'm still short. Those puts that were up 27% are now back up 42% here. I'm about to take a trim on Tesla, new lows, back test rejection.
Data in 30 seconds. Be careful.
Okay, data
Don't
in
have much
10.
data for this entire week.
Yeah, and reminder, Thursday's closed.
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, boom.
Yeah, short week.
Pending home sales came in at 3.3%. The forecast was 1. Previous was 1.9. That's a decent change. But clearly the market doesn't care.
The market does not.
Doesn't look like it cares at all.
All right, I flattened my initial gold position, 50 points there.
When we take a look at Edgeful's overall daily bias, we're 17% bullish, 17% bearish, and 67% neutral.
Oof, yeah, that's a little bit of a recipe for a choppiness. Choppy day.
Choppy.
Down that ASTS short would have been good.
Oh, gold just getting crushed. Good job, Mabel.
Thank you, sir.
Maple.
Yeah, there's that gap fill. Just filled at 368.4.
Yeah, I'm taking out previous.
Amazon new high day. About to be green. It's green.
Ooh. Did Tesla do the same? Love that.
IWM just making new lows now after being strong out of the gate. Going for 250 psych level here.
I'd be looking at on Tesla, whatever dip we want to take here. I just want us to hold at 50% of the higher time frame range we just created from November 14th lows to the short-term high we just made. An all-time high. That half back is 440.80.
We keep on wicking on the rejecting POC. She's moving down now 740s. Yes, below it too.
I have a level down at 652, that gap from previous week open.
Palantir's making new lows again.
I was one on Friday session. I was like, man, I really want to swing puts. I was like, I need it to bounce a little bit. And Friday session, it did not bounce whatsoever. Palantir just drained all day. It's at 184. Oh no. Yeah, look at the previous daily candle. You'll see why. Disgusting.
Disgusting. We're just stock chopping here, man. It's been slow since we took out that London high. Just exactly why I use those as targets every single day.
All right, I did trim out some Tesla puts here, hitting 462 area, just for a little day trade. See if you can get a move down to 460 psych level. Not gonna let this trade go right and cost me money, but
RCY down in lows.
bring it on down.
High risk. I took SPX 68.95 puts.
All right, there it is for Tesla. Get a full.
Russell's getting cooked. I'm trying to fill that gap. That gap will fill it. What is that? 458.96.
Gold is melting.
Over in option land,
Yes,
the zero DEX level crossed above price in the morning on ES. So change from net long to net short, and we're still short gamma. So the way that they have to hedge doesn't really make sense. So I'm probably going to chop a lot.
38-point gain on gold. I'm going to cover down to the runners here.
Here we go, Tessie. I'm trying to get an order to fill here at 420. Smoke it if you got it. Let's see if they fill me.
I should have been
415.
I'm in AMD 210 pips.
AMD puts.
AMD, a money destroyer.
What?
IWM.
Ah, damn. Should have got spreads earlier, man.
All right, 50%.
I'm in queue.
50% on
$100 per
spot.
contract gain on SPX. I sold half.
Drop it
Dude,
8
what's so
AMD.
wild is after I did a minus 45% trim this morning, they came back to only like 6 or 7%, almost stopping it out. The other contract, and now they're back up 50%. Fucking wild.
I bounced some algo levels here. 696 and 688.
And Q needs to hold the low at 1030 or else Edgefull's calling for the first break to be ID low. We can hold that opening print, then it'll look to take out IB high, but looks like we're down.
Yeah, we had a nice fake out breakout orb high, and I think we see orb low 664.75, maybe for another liquidity sweep just to keep it an orb day.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna offload a little bit more down here if I can.
Let's see. Go AMD, drop lower. Under this 211.55. Get this.
We're still holding up. Only thing in my watch list up 1%.
Also, your guys' last day of tax loss harvesting is this Wednesday, considering markets close Thursday, so we should probably see some volatility in the next day or two.
Yeah.
QQQ with the knifer.
With the stick. Yeah, it's getting slapped.
So, retail. Watch your retail names. So look at your Walmart. Watch your Costco. Talked about this last night. Not a lot of people trade this.
There we go.
More like this one, but eBay. Watch these ones. There you go, SPY. Boom.
Lower.
Lower. Come on, 58%.
Almost about to be new low a day there.
Oh shit, up $100 per contract. Let's go.
They're gonna try to bounce it right above it.
I was gonna learn on Pepsi. Pepsi Cola. Look at Pepsi. See? I'm telling you.
You know, when I go to a place and they tell me they just have Pepsi products, I know it's going to be a subpar restaurant.
I've told places no before. Can I have a Coke, or we only have Pepsi? I'll have a water.
Honestly, it's the same thing to me. I mean, obviously it's not the same, but I've never not ordered Pepsi.
Dude, I taste the difference. I don't know if I'm out of my mind or what.
Nah.
No, Pepsi sucks.
I can taste the difference. The only Pepsi that's good is the cherry flavored one. The wild cherry. That one's not bad. Other than that, Coke is better. But when you see the market acting like this and you're getting this move down on SPY and Qs, maybe mixed bag with tech, I'm telling you, watch these freaking names that people don't like to touch or trade. Look at Pepsi this morning. Absolutely ripping. There's going to be all these off-the-wall names that no one's going to be looking at. They're going to be popping. Brand new whips just hopped in.
Still chilling out loud.
AMD puts our work in here. I'm looking for some spreads. Want to see if we get new lows first, which seems very likely.
Yeah. And he wants to do it.
Yeah, me and Sniper went to a place in Miami, which was Pepsi products. Trash.
Dude, it was one of the worst places ever.
I like a Dr. Pepper.
Oh, big time.
I love a good Dr. Pepper. That's
Dude,
my
Dr.
favorite
Pepper
soda.
is good.
That I agree.
Okay.
And then a Dr. Pepper cherry as well.
What you guys think about Mr. Pibb?
Yeah, it's
Mr.
It
Pibb.
was the job done.
I haven't heard that in a minute.
Not my fave.
I don't drink soda, so honestly, I have no clue what that is.
I have
I
no
really
clue
don't
what
drink
that
much
is
soda
either.
either, but
If
If
you
you
like
go to
Dr.
Chipotle, you know about Mr. Pibb.
If you like Dr. Pepper, they have the Dr. Pepper. They have a blackberry one that's actually not terrible, because Crown Royal makes a blackberry flavored, so you can kind of mix that with a little bit of whiskey. But Dr. Pepper cream soda, you mix that with a dark liquor. That's a pretty good mixed drink to have. I like that.
Dude, those poppy sodas are pretty good too.
I love the poppies.
Yeah.
I like the orange and the grape are definitely my favorite.
Yeah, have you tried the holiday ginger one? Which is
Yes.
like ginger ale. It's delicious.
Yep.
Some whiskey with
Recently
that.
tried that one too. That one's good.
Oh, we don't really have Mr. Pip over here. I mean, it's hard to find.
What you know about Dr. Perky?
You know, I got a gripe as well with the entire UK. All right, you guys don't have Sprite. I try to order Sprite everywhere. They give me the fizzy lemonade. And
No, we do. It depends where.
Sprite.
Mapes was in the wrong
So
spot.
were they just like forcing the foreigner to drink fizzy lemonade everywhere?
I think it really depends. You can definitely find it at the local grocery store. If it's not Sprite, they'll give you 7-Up. It's a bit of a hit or miss at different establishments. I don't know why.
What you know about that Sierra Mist?
The last time that I was in London, I ordered fish and chips are not the same as the US.
No, it's different. Yeah, it's completely different.
The Walkers, baby.
Oh, yeah, you know it. Potatoes. NQ looking like it wants to bounce here. We'll see. It's still weak under all the EMAs.
Yeah, I'm not really concerned yet. We actually did get a new low there, though.
Didn't they rename Sierra Mist something last couple of years? I feel like it's not called Sierra Mist anymore.
I forget now.
Starry.
Yeah,
Sorry, that's what it is. Yup.
Starry, yeah.
Hughes just hit that big support we were talking about this morning that was holding pre-market. We just back tested it here on that previous candle. Now, we break and close underneath that, you should see a move down. Quick pit stop around 618.35. After that, 617.75. But again, I mean, look at this reaction candle so far on SPY and Qs. Buyers are still present in that area. So no really chasing shorts down there.
Oh, wow. 15-minute candles opening up as an inside candle, though.
What was our opening tick? Minus 251. Valdez negative, been under the zero line since the open. Valdez broke the zero line at 10 a.m. It's retesting it right now from the underside. Tick has spent the entire morning under the zero line. VIX is dropping lower while we're hitting this area of support. Just be careful in this range right here, just back and forth.
I'm waiting for 10:30 for spreads. I know we're gonna get something there.
I like the sound of that.
Now, what that is, I don't know. At this point, it could be a dip back down. If we reject 730 on Qs, that is no bueno. No bueno. Still in my AMD short. I'm a little red now.
There's some chance we take out IB low when it forms. Yeah, 73.5% chance.
I'm about to long the shit out of Pepsi.
I don't drink soda, but now I'm craving for one, you guys.
You've never tried the liquid death sodas. Give it a shot.
Oh my god, man. They're terrible.
I just need to come back and visit and try all your crazy drinks.
You can ask Jordan to verify this.
Yeah,
but they were.
you should only be drinking liquid death water, never their sodas.
I don't mind
stuff.
I don't mind the Dr. Pepper version. That's the only
Whatever cola one we had.
Killer Cola is not that good.
I didn't like that.
I'm just saying, we left PR with a fridge full of liquid death sodas. Nobody touched them, dude. Every other drink was picked.
The Dr. Death is like the only one, but it's just a healthy alternative. There's no sugar. There's like 10 calories a can. There's nothing in it.
That's why.
It's even. I think if you pour it out, it's still clear. It's not brown.
There's no chemicals in it. So it tastes like crap.
Yeah.
Are they owned by like a Pepsi or Cola? Are they traded under any of the major brands?
Good question.
I do not know.
Silver new lows.
Yeah, I just got an alert on silver.
I don't see that they are.
No, it doesn't look like it. I thought they would be. Because I hear you guys talk about it all the time.
I love their mountain water, so I drink the shit out of those all the time.
Seems like
5 minute NQ is dancing in between EMAs and above the POC. 1 minute's not.
Gold is just dead.
Yeah.
Say gold is dead.
Mm-hmm.
Got a 5 minute Morningstar reversal on SPY. Q's getting still beautiful reaction off the same support area. Silver's probably going to see a drop down to 63.6 underneath this area here.
Remember, if we can't get above 730, 735, that's where I'm watching on Qs.
I'm long ES 51.25 for break of POC. I'm just gonna this candle of green.
All right, 67-point gain. Gold, I'm all out. GG.
Nice.
Nice, brother.
Beautiful trade.
Let's roll. You can see LH coming back down to the low.
There goes ES cooking.
Yeah, I took a small SPY call entry. Sorry, I'm not talking a lot, guys.
Oh,
You
you're
good?
good.
No.
Jamma, I did it.
You're under the weather.
Yeah, pretty bad.
Oh, that honey tea.
I'll tell you, too many people or something got me sick the holidays.
Oh man.
I'm about to make some tea for sure.
Yeah.
Did you go to the Green Bay game? Was it home this week?
I did not. As my couch laid up sick this weekend.
Sorry to hear that.
It's just going around to everybody, I swear.
I know, literally.
Vitamins, I think, guys. Just like up the limit.
Well, a couple of the Bears players last night had the flu. They didn't play. The whole area here is just, it's terrible. Chicagoland area. Everybody I know is sick.
Watch this spot right here.
Microsoft still trying to maybe build a little flag here. Still underneath my resistance, but holding up decently.
I think I'm about to get stopped on AMD here.
Got the half position SPX, took the L.
I just got out 50% on those 614 put spots.
Oh, you sold 614 puts?
Yeah, but it came in 5 minutes.
Good.
So I'm gonna.
Beautiful morning star reversal SPY. 9 times out of 10. Next candle is green, and it got the pop up to VWAP.
I still think we can
Nice.
drop because ID data once it forms in 5 minutes.
I'm probably gonna do an iron condor. It's like I could see us breaking that low and selling off. I could also see them holding this low today and just creeping back up. Equilibrium's going to put us right back at 688.70 on SPY. And I mean, staying underneath.
I'm shorting Q. I haven't Q at POC, but I might cut it like right now. I'm still in. Okay, Richard. That's why we size accordingly with the VIX.
Yeah, I'm about to stop my AMD. Damn. Them bastards got me.
They got him.
Let's see though. Hold on. It's 213.40.
I did get the alert on ARM. What did it do? It's at 110.
I grabbed 100 shares here on Zeta at 1988.
Zeta.
Buying Zeta shares here? Let's go.
Down 4%. I take that.
Little discount.
I'm down like 13.5% on my March calls, and I can still add to these if I need to.
I keep thinking you guys saying Sega.
Then you hear the little Sonic rings.
Sonic, yeah. With the rings.
That Crash Bandicoot Spyro.
Dude, Crash? Dude, Crash.
I remember that.
On the PS2?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What y'all know about
Crash
the
Team
GameCube?
Racing too was awesome.
Bro, the GameCube.
The GameCube, son.
Bro, the PSP. You remember that?
Oh,
I do.
Oh, I loved those. That was my shit.
PSP was awesome.
But
That's
Disco still got him. We
the
just called
world
him.
changing right there. PSP. I was like, oh shit, this is.
What was the? I used to play this game on the GameCube. It was. It had to be Super Mario Bros, but it was soccer. Dude, what the heck was that game? That game was. No, it was big. That was an amazing game.
I'm gonna hang up, guys. I gotta take some tea.
Don't worry,
Rest my voice here.
Feel better.
Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yo, get the feeling better, Emma.
Feel
Thank you.
better.
That was a great gold short there. That was sick. Thanks, guys.
Oh, Super Mario Strikers.
Is that what it was? Oh.
Dude, Super Mario Strikers was the shit on GameCube.
Wow.
Oh my god.
And something every day.
Probably one of the best games I think I've ever played in my life.
Joe, you're short, right?
Yeah, I'm still on it.
I think I actually like it here.
I mean, data's in your favor once this IB forms in 1 more minute.
There's a trim. There we go. Let's put my stop and profit.
Yeah, I was just gonna say I think you would for the nice one here.
I think we're in the middle. The orb's a bit tough for me here to stop.
I'm not out. I was snorkeling a smidge, so I took my trims and I stopped in profit.
You and Eb like snorkeling.
Yeah, I was just gonna say.
I was within risk, like it wasn't nothing crazy because my stop was just above V1.
So you guys are the real SEAL Team 6, going snorkeling with your guns and shit.
Apple $300 calls, 8/21/2026. Sizable sweep just came in. Someone bought 2,063 contracts at 13.29 for $2.75 million. Apple getting a nice back test off the intraday 21 and a push back up to the highs right now. It is in a 4-hour squeeze.
At 10:30, this is where we see. Do they drag us down or?
Apple's 4-hour actually looks pretty decent. If it
We're just
holds.
sandwiched between POC and VWAP.
Okay, AMD, I'm out for a loss. Damn. Held that a little longer than I should have, but
These two look good.
no.
I haven't even looked at Meta. No, I didn't miss anything. Like someone just freaking hold the pin on a grenade or something.
Yeah.
That's, I got a fake butterfly knife. It was the first thing I ever bought on the internet. And it's my favorite fidget toy. One day I fidgeted with it on a job interview online. That was a little questionable.
IWM new low of day. Trying to get a trim on these NCLH puts here. New lows at 120. It's almost there, but nothing crazy.
Yeah, we're right in the middle of the action here, so I'm not taking a spread yet. I'm just waiting to see which direction they really want to push us.
Yes, is actually weaker.
You got IWM weaker too.
Yeah. YMs as well, low day. NQ is holding up the best.
Yeah, which wasn't the thing last week.
I don't know. I'm feeling Iron Condor right here.
I'm gonna take some SPY 689 calls here.
Ooh.
I don't know which way. Let me see something here.
There's not really much actionable in exposure land here. There's just a Jex level at 6960s. And then you got the whole profile.
So trying to push higher here.
It would like to do well.
My boy Stevie in the chat just got back from a 2-week vacation in Portugal. What did I miss? You did not miss much, man. Christmas week was snow.
Chop, chop, chop.
Nemo says might be good RR on TSM puts here, but the spreads are wider than Latina's hips. Let's go take a look.
Wow.
Don't shoot the messenger. I'm just reading the chat. But I love it. I mean, if you look at the daily on TSM, you are up in an area. You get big resistance up here between that 305, 310. If you missed the Qs Ripper this morning, it just did it again, and SPY again. Morningstar reversal off the low. 9 times out of 10. Continuation, baby. I like some spreads here. He's looking to spread them. Spread them, folks. Oh my goodness, I still have my JOBY $15 puts for January. How's my stop never hit on these things yet? I'm still at 30%.
ES is breaking view up. Q's breaking out, go level 760s, 770s.
Yeah, they're trying to cook.
Yeah. Damn.
Maybe open up put side first and go call side, but right here is the spot where it can just get slapped back down. I'd rather just do a convert right here.
Okay, let me see this.
Coming right into some gamma resistance at 6960s.
What do we got high day here?
Not much activity on that strike.
eBay.
I still gotta get this a couple more minutes here.
Yeah, let's see if they can keep this going into the highs, or they give us a lower high and just range this here. Smacked. Tapping into 5-minute bearish for value.
No volume on these contracts.
Rejecting that 6960s.
There's your rejection spot again on the SPY and Qs. SPX as well.
Man, I was early on my short and I just never put it back on.
Okay.
Microsoft was chopping in the range, but holding up good. It's holding up pretty well, except for Netflix.
Gotta wait here.
It's getting slow.
Yeah.
Where's the VIX at?
1457.
Dropping.
Yeah, I'm still gonna wait here for a spread. Yeah, very choppy. Very, very choppy. You have a dip, you have a bounce, but it's just like slow movements.
Time to take out that IB low. It's also equal lows on ES.
We are looking weaker. Gonna get into the 730s now.
We're gonna take ES long, 3-minute EMA risk.
Yeah, now Q's looks kind of worse in a way.
ES now looking stronger than NQ.
Yep.
See if they keep it up. SPY is chopping at the lows now. Same with Dow, like continuously just drilling. Google's still strong at the highs.
I'm just waiting here still.
Still a couple weeks out from any earnings, but early January, mid-January, we'll get them. It'll be fun, first earnings of the year. These are some slow trading days. 614s, I ended up selling her at 4 cents. I'm not in them anymore, but
Da-da-dun. We're at session POC on ES and Q here. Sandwich between VWAP.
Yeah, still kind of weak.
still want to see him take out IB low.
Yeah, broke below POC right there.
What the hell do I do?
No, I'm pulling up the options chain right now. There's actually not much premium.
Anywhere.
Oh my god! I mean, I can do the full gap fill on SPS like 69.30, but I'll collect maybe $30 on the premium. That's it. That's some bullshit. So the 69.30s and 40s.
This just looks. There's just no premium anywhere.
On the downside, if I can sell 68 70s, I mean, those are 30 as well. I can go with only $35 out of the money and I'll collect around $30 on premium. That's it.
One second, hold on. Okay. So we bounced again right at that 670.
What number?
6-7.
Wow.
6-7.
Yo, can I get a mic check?
Mic
Yes,
check.
sir.
Loud and clear.
Mic check, mic check.
Nice.
I'll bounce before I do low here.
Yeah.
I still think we end up taking that out.
Yeah.
I am going to swang something here. Swang.
Swag.
Let's see. United Airlines. Spreads are ass. February's aren't bad. Not really moving too much.
Damn, I just really don't believe in these bounces.
I don't believe in this bounce either, to be honest, but we'll see how far she can go.
eBay, new high day.
I think 5-minute bears for value here. See if bears can respect this and take it to heavy low.
Stick eBay.
eBay stick?
Yeah, I said it first thing this morning. Some of these names.
Drizzy came to town.
I'm in the calls.
BBL Jersey. I'm shorting. Yeah. S714.
Yeah. I'm short Qs and NQ here as well.
Oh, I'm about to take a call credit spread here on SPX, and I'll think about adding the put if we reclaim.
Man, you can do it.
You can do it.
Under 706, we drop. 706 to 690. 690 to 670.
It's funny, I haven't talked to him.
Take that trade. I've been profit.
He's on stream. I know he's short.
Oh, amp?
I haven't spoken to a word to him yet. Haven't seen a screen at all, but I know he's short.
Yes, he is.
for this IB low.
Yes, he is.
He's on stream talking about it right now. I bet you. I'm not on there, but I know it.
Here we go. Come on.
Come on, flip this candle red.
Yeah, Drizzy. In the other way.
In the other way. I have my stop and profit at 708s. So either I make money or I make more money.
That's true.
I love those odds.
I love
Those are great odds. I wish it was like that when I went to Vegas. Fuck.
MHQ short bill break.
Take it down.
I can't short American Airlines.
When I short America, down.
I just can't short Delta. If I go short airlines, it's going to be LUV Southwest and United Airlines UAL. I like both of these.
Hate UAL with a passion.
There's my stop and
Same.
profit. I'm all out.
I hate all of them, but
Damn, PL. There's no micros and the size is just obscene on that thing. And the spread, you want to talk about Latina hips? Pull up a PL
On platinum.
order book, dude. Yeah, PL futures, bro.
Just got everyone's attention real quick. Dude, like United Airlines, I checked the bag and they lost my bag. And I've been in New York for a couple days now. And so basically every day I'm just going out and buying new clothes because I don't
Wait, they
have
lost
stuff.
your bag from PR?
No, from Florida. I've literally just been buying new stuff every day until my bag gets here, and it's kind of
Damn.
ridiculous.
Yeah, that gets expensive.
I mean, they're paying for it, so I'm not really that mad.
Oh,
but
that's
like,
nice. Yeah.
it's still something to do.
At least you get to go shop a little bit. Shit.
All right, this was a nice session, but it's time for some breakfast. So I might
Time
come
for some
by.
brekkie.
Some brekkie might come by for close, but you guys,
Like that.
you guys have some good trading. Ciao, ciao.
Yes, sir. Talk soon.
but
Wow, guys, it's International Cello Day. Big shout out to all my cello players out there. We really appreciate you. I want to hear. If you're a cello player, post a bit on your X and tag me. I want to see.
I can play the cello.
Can you really?
Yeah.
It's kind
I
of
told you
legit.
this.
I never played the cello. I played trumpet, clarinet, saxophone, a little violin, but I never did cello.
You'd learn it pretty well from violin. Honestly, I got the whole orchestra stack, and violin was the first one that I did.
Yeah.
You just kind of look
Violin
weird
is
playing
fun.
it.
You take out a violin and just start cranking that thing. It's fun. You look like a bird with your neck on like on something, but
Come on, drop
I
it.
think that the guitar is by far the best instrument, and I
I
think
agree.
that just about every single guy has to buy a guitar at some point in their life and attempt to play it. I'm not
Totally
saying you
agree.
got to master it. I'm saying you just got to try.
I couldn't agree more with that statement.
nice
Slowly but
rejection.
surely, coming slower.
We're at 6,900 again on SPX and CLH. Drilling a little bit lower. I'm going to pin this at the top in just a second. But beautiful shooting stars and continuation previous session on both of these names for the cruise lines, and then just getting a nice move even lower down here this morning on East January is just up 20%. So I did sell majority here.
Let's go.
See how fast these SPX premiums move on this thing. Oh, I'm up 30%. Let's go.
Oh, come on. Take out the low.
Just hang out.
I'm gonna trim some of my shorts here. Cover some. What? What?
kid. Oh, JOBY, the pop and drop. Let's go. Where are they up? 33%. Keep it dying, baby. Keep it dying. Nice back test rejection on Qs. What else can we find that looks like ass? MSTR. Coin. Yeah, coin at previous day low.
All right, 15-point gain, MNQ. You covered half.
And Q. Looking like it's going to take it first. If we get these lows. Boopity boopity.
Just rug it already, would ya?
IWM trying to curl a little bit down here.
About to hit that same support again on QQQ.
RTY's popping.
Yeah. You got a little curlage down there.
I'm watching those wicks on a higher time frame, see they're defending it.
Mama.
Be like that, yeah. Yeah. Yippee, yippee. Hooray.
Shawty get down, good Lord.
Shawty, you best get down.
There you go. There we go. Come on,
Yep.
a little bit lower. Bring it down, baby.
Bring it down is right.
Yo, eBay, you gonna make me trim. Stop. Make me trim today. Stop. Oh my goodness, it's about to make me trim so hard right now.
So there's this company in China that if you get stuck in traffic, they send a van to your car that's stuck in traffic, and they pick you up, and then somebody else drives your car to the destination, and they get you out of traffic.
Yep.
For $60. Not bad.
Wait, say that again?
That's quite interesting.
If you are stuck in standstill traffic in China, you could hire this company for $60, and they send a van that I guess is an expert at navigating through traffic, cuts up to where your car is, then they pick you up in the van, get you out of the traffic, and then somebody comes out of the van and takes your car to where it needs to go.
I feel like
Dream job. Fuck.
I feel like I've failed myself as a driver
If we can't get out of that now.
If I can't get out of that, but this van can do it, I'm be like, okay, who the fuck's this guy?
Bro, imagine how much fun that guy has at work.
I know. That's probably like a really fun job.
They cut up for a living. Are you kidding me?
Okay,
That's awesome.
eBay. Okay, eBay keeps pushing closer to 87 here. It's gonna make me drown.
Oh shit.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'll tell you what. I'll put an order in at $150 on these, and if it fails, it fails. Let's see. I'll put an order in. They're at like 146, 147. If it keeps popping up and goes over 150, it'll take a little bit off the top. eBay, what you doing?
You should see new lows. Come on.
Waiting for it, baby. Silver curling up a little bit.
IWM doing this little curl here at the bottom. I'm long IWM a little bit here.
iDubbbz.
Who the fuck is this guy?
Who do you got?
Tech is moving up, but I'll tell you right now, the internals, it don't look good. Still think we're gonna see lower.
I do too. We haven't taken out that below yet on either asset.
I mean, if we hold
Wow,
it
IWM's
here
pushing.
and just chop, I mean, that's fine with me. I'll make money either way. Either go lower or just pop and chop in this range. But
I'm all at my Q puts, the remainder.
All right.
somebody just robbed $400,000 worth of lobsters from a big truck heading to Costco.
That was me.
Damn.
You don't say.
That was me.
Dude. Freaking. But they pulled. Look, Costco did not like that. Look, stock's selling off. They're like, we got to get our lobsters back.
I'm just curious, like, on who the savage man is that decided to do that.
How bad did you need lobster tail?
Dude, homie really needed lobster.
That's a little crazy. Like Fast and Furious shit where they just surround it with like 3 or 4 cars and then just jump on there, put them at gunpoint, rob the truck, take the lobsters, tip.
Yeah.
Can you imagine someone, you like, this is your job, either, you know, transport lobsters or whatever it is. Someone comes up and robs you at gunpoint and slide, put all the lobsters in the bag.
Put the lobsters in the bag.
Like, they're like, bro, this isn't what I fucking signed up for. What are you doing?
That should be so fun.
IWM calls are up 25% here.
She's cooking.
Real quick.
Buying cues again. I mean, tick pop.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna open up put spread down here right now.
Open up the gates. I ain't gonna open up a put spread yet. I'm gonna sit in the call side.
I need us to break ID low to open up the put spread, to be honest.
Yeah. I'll open up the put spread either if SPY gets a break in base back above VWAP pushing back up to 688.3. I'll take it unless they rug it down to previous month high at 685 like 680, 685.50 area. I'll take it down there. But there was cocaine hidden in the lobsters. Well, that makes more sense.
Oh, okay, it's starting to come together now.
Cocaina?
Wait, are you just joking? Was there really cocaine hidden in the lobster?
I mean, that would actually make sense now, though, if there was. Like, really makes sense.
I used to love watching the ways that people would smuggle drugs.
Oh my god!
The border
I
dude
watched-
is so cool.
So
I
cool.
once watched How to Catch a Smuggler, and it was like my favorite show for a couple months. And there was a guy who brought like 40 pounds of cocaine through the airport inside of a guitar, and they bring him into the office, and they said, "Play the guitar," and he didn't know how to play the guitar.
That's why the God's Arts is dope.
That's a good one.
They literally just made a Netflix show teaching the American race how to money launder. It's pretty funny.
Dude, seeing the ways that people like smuggle drugs, like it's pretty clever, especially when they get like super scientific with it, where they'll put like they'll melt down, you know, like either your heroin or your meth, and they'll have their liquid meth and they'll put it inside like cans of paint and or paint thinner or something, and then they know a way in which whenever they get it transported, they get it back, you can, you know, put it through whatever process to then separate, you know, everything that's inside of it to get the liquid meth, you know, now distant from the paint thinner or whatever they mixed it with. I mean, that's pretty fucking smart. One of the coolest ones that I saw is the dude, like if you're sitting in your driver's seat, when you open up your door, you have usually a black piece of plastic that's right there. That's like for your feet. Like you scuff that thing up so it doesn't, you don't hit like the frame of your car or whatever. And you have that on all four doors. It just runs along the bottom trim right there. And this dude got bricks of cocaine, and he tied the first one. He had a string tied around the first one, and he put it down in there on the driver's side and used a stick and pushed it all the way through the car to the back. And it goes to the trunk. And then essentially he's holding on to the string, right? And then he keeps packing the bricks of cocaine in it, and it has it all lined up. And then he puts the black plastic trim back over top of it. And essentially all that you do is they pop it open, they start grabbing the bricks out, and then you pull the string, and then it's just moving the bricks of cocaine back up to the front, and they're just unloading it. That was pretty neat. I saw another people who would go to like Walmart and they buy the big variety thing of like candy that's like, you know, $15-20, and it's like 10 to 20 different kinds of little pieces of candy that's all in there. And they would do a small slit on the bag. They take the candy out and keep the wrappers, and then they would roll either cocaine, meth, heroin, whatever it is, back up into the candy wrappers, put it back inside the bag, and then you use like a straightener or whatever to seal the bag back up to look like it was never opened. And dogs would obviously alert, like on the bags, they cut it open. They open up like this thing of like fucking gumballs or Smarties, whatever it is, but it's really just a ball of freaking like coke or meth or something.
These motherfuckers do anything but learn.
Dude.
God damn.
Crazy.
You're tuning in to a special edition of Wolf Stock Market. Nothing on here is professional financial advice in our markets.
That's some funny shit. We are so close to breaking the lows here.
We're just tapping.
What's the best anti-drug proxy? I'm gonna go with Palantir.
Yeah,
I don't know. I think Alex Karp is on drugs.
I mean,
Iowan Q puts. I mean, I don't hate it. IONQ looks just like Rigatoni, RGTI. They both look disgusting. They've already started to sell off. They printed a reversal back on Wednesday, December 24th for downside. You got the continuation on Friday. If you look out left a little bit, you're kind of sitting on area of support. If it does break, you can see 42 on IONQ. And then for RGTI, we're at the bottom of that range, that's support, but kind of bear flaggy. If it does drop down, probably just $20 type level is right below it.
Rivian has found its what's it called there? Support 9 EMA on the daily.
Let's go check this SPX. What are we at? 50% on SPX here already. Yay.
Has opened a Zeta January 21st, 2028 $30 call starter position at 6 buckaroonies.
That's probably the next one that I'd take.
Oh yes, I want at least 15 of those.
Yeah, if by probably the second week or so, or maybe by the end of January, if it's not at or above 22, then I'll probably end up rolling out.
Oh, wait, what do you have? You have March what?
22.5s.
Okay.
They're cheap.
Probably are. What are they, like $1 something?
They are $1.55.
$1.55.
Take out. Come on.
Give me lows. Give me lows. Give me lows.
$15 here on the premium on SPX. I'll put an order in. Okay. 10. That way, if it goes 75%, it'll close out majority. A lot of things turn around. Microsoft never broke above the resistance. Google, little bear flag breakdown here. Pulling back a little bit. Check Meta. Still nothing on Meta.
Just need one little
flash down.
You can do it.
You can do it.
I believe in you. I fully believe in you, sir.
Ooh, Google 30-minute about to print an evening star reversal off the resistance.
Oh, wait.
It's also in a 15-minute squeeze. It's still bullish because higher lows from pre-market 10 a.m. and here hasn't flipped bearish yet, but volume point of control resistance areas around 313.25 to 313.50. Rejecting. Where's the trend line take you? I think it's like right here. It's on trend line. So if this spot breaks out in the next 6 minutes and holds under, Q still sitting at the same support, SPY still sitting at the same support.
Hey guys, just gonna be on mute for like literally under 5 minutes here, but the screen will still be up.
I mean, I feel pretty confident these are all going to expire for full profit, but come on, just a little bit more. Your Vol D and Vol DQ are selling.
Yeah, we're gonna see that new low.
Come on.
We gonna see that new low. Don't be a hoe.
I think SPY can wick down. We maybe pre-market low. Q's like 618. Do it already.
Come here, Bentley.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't make me take 50% before lunch. That's no fun. They're buying up the tick right now, back over the zero line. Same support. Is Zeta bouncing a little bit?
Yeah, Zeta is bouncing.
Zeta. What's it
It's
do?
at 20s.
It's bouncing a little bit. Just reclaimed 20. I was like, those calls, they were just at $1.55. They just went like 165, 166.
Yeah.
Zeta doing? Get back above 20. That is a 5-minute candle close above the 0 line on the tick. That is the third candle today to do it. Fourth 5-minute candle to close above it in the last 2 hours.
I gotta run, guys, but I'll catch y'all later.
See you later.
And tune into Wolf EU tomorrow morning if you're up at 7 a.m. Eastern.
Sounds good, Eva. Yeah. Have a good show. And have a good evening over in the UK.
Okay, take care. Bye.
Bye, Eva. All right, you just got a 5-minute candle close, 10-minute candle close, and a 15-minute candle close underneath Google trend line here. I like the poots. I am 100% over trading the shit out of this market today. Let's see, January 16 puts, how are they moving? Should bounce on SPY and Qs a little bit with the tick moving higher.
Wow, look at Zeta now.
Mm-hmm.
She tripping.
She got me tripping. What was the 11 a.m. low on these ones?
That I don't know what to do here.
Oh God, Google puts are not moving. Not for January 16th or not.
Okay. You know what? I'm gonna do a little play.
Let's do it. Even the January 9th are moving like shit. What is this?
Wah.
Well, that's great.
What do you mean eBay filled you at $1.50? What? Why didn't my broker fill me? This is some bullshit.
L's.
I call bullshit.
L's.
Mine says 149. Why are people? Oh, new high. Wow. New high eBay 140. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Premiums adjusted 152.
There you go. Hey.
There we go. All right.
You got him.
I got him, boy.
But he was not happy for a second.
There we go. I was like, why is everyone else getting filled? What the fuck?
What a fuck.
160 eBay. What the fuck? What broker you guys trading eBay on? I need to go to that. Those Weeble fills must be ass. Zeta. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Look at Knots over here pumping. Knots said, I'm long Zeta right here, and all of a sudden it just starts ripping higher.
Yeah, I grabbed 100 shares earlier at 1988, and then I grabbed that long-term call.
What made you enter Zeta right there, Knox? For the
Down
calls?
4% on the day. I'm just grabbing something to add.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, there you
finally
go. Back test
freaking do
rejection.
it, bro. Or are they gonna edge us again?
Yeah, I like 19
go, SPY.
like
Dump it, baby.
60 down to like 1915.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa. Can I just get TP?
Yeah, I'm going to give myself some credit for not getting in early on this spread. Holy shit.
That's too damn bad.
Well, it's too damn bad.
You keep digging.
Keep digging, boy.
Oh my goodness, they're at 10, but it hasn't filled it yet. I'm up 70%.
Don't edge it, please. Not again.
Come on.
Not again.
70%. Oh my god.
Come on now.
Wow, look at Zeta.
I know, and the short as shit right now, too. Hey, Evan.
Hey, Evan, you handsome bastard.
Trying to knock this market down. You want to help?
Is Evan speaking?
No.
Okay. Like I don't hear.
Yeah, I was going to say, I don't hear anything.
Does XOM look good
being
with
anonymous.
breakout making new highs? The thing with XOM is that it's been here for almost 3 years. So
Yeah.
go to your monthly chart on XOM and go look at the highs from January and February of 2023. It's 120. We have yet to have a monthly candlestick close over top of 120 in almost 3 years. So
I say this all the time. It's
been-
just hard to trade an asset that's on the higher time frame, like in giant consolidation.
yeah.
We're trading SPY and QQQ all year, which, yes, there's choppy periods for sure, but like the higher time frame trend is up, like majority of the time, and we're always trending on the higher time frame. Is what I'm getting at. You know what I mean? Whereas like oil, we're just not.
Yeah.
It's not.
The only thing on XOM that has been decent recently is if you go to your daily chart, you can go to the weekly as well, but if you go to your daily and weekly chart on XOM, it's been making higher lows. It's been slowly making higher highs. The issue is, look at the weekly candles. When it makes those higher lows, it pops back up. Usually the next week or two, it sells back down or goes sideways. So, I mean, you would have to buy time to stay in that trade to hopefully not get the theta burn for this slow move up. Then the flip side of that, you're buying time. It's a slow move. You're saving on theta, but the move isn't explosive. You're not getting that bigger move sooner rather than later. It's a slow move. Your deltas are not really helping you, so you're not gaining that much either. So essentially, you have all this money in a trade for a very long time, and it's barely moving in your favor at a good rate at which you feel good enough to start taking profits on this trade, because you had to buy time to save on theta. You're still not getting the explosive move on the stock for your premiums to pop. In my opinion, for XOM, it's like if you day trade, and that's the thing with XOM, I think, is you have those days where we talk about it. I just got filled on SPX, by the way, for over 70%. I just sold half. Just saw the order come through. XOM and like Oxy and Energy, they're good for day trades because you'll see those individual days where that sector is running and XOM goes from like 115 to 118 or 117 to 120. Those are the days to capitalize on XOM. Whenever you see it moving like that. Swing trading overall for it, it's very, very difficult and very, very slow. I think you have a better chance to wait for Energy to start getting its turn and starting to run, and you capitalize on day trades. Just my opinion.
Drop us. That's my opinion.
Oh, I gotta send the alert. Hold on. Sold half SPX plus 70%.
Nice.
And
take out these lows, baby. We're literally a tick away on the S. Come on.
Acceleration.
that's what eBay's doing.
Accelerating.
Acceleration downside. Come on, new low of day. Ready, SPY? In 3.
There's IB
2,
low.
1. Ah, rocket!
See if
There
we
we
can take out some of
go.
our previous lows as well.
Come on,
There we go,
NQ.
baby.
Come on,
There.
NQ.
Boom, taking out
GG, baby.
previous
Here we
lows.
go. Let's go. Dump it, SPX. Give me
for
pre-market
more.
low. 685.83 would be the next target for me on SPY.
There we go.
Come on.
This is how we do it.
Yeah.
This is how we short it on the retest, baby.
Oh, yeah, baby.
SPX, CCS, entry, short. Cause I'm falling in love. There you go. There you go. Come on. All right. So SPY pre-market low hit here, and as suspected, Qs is not anywhere near that. So SPY, if it can break, get to move down closer, like 686.25, area about another 50 cents lower. I think that can get Qs to come back down to its pre-market low. And then if we break underneath that, your previous week low on Qs is 617.75. Previous month high on SPY is around 685.80. Qs again still at the support area.
Come on.
Relative weakness has been over here on SPY and SPX.
Quick drop. Quick drop.
Bang, bang. Bang, bang, choo-choo train.
Beautiful moves to Ivy low.
We need NQ to get under Ivy low.
Dang, Everly's getting her ass whooped.
You know, as you said whooped, I heard the little scream in the back.
Oh my god. Nah, she's
She's beating the
Most
shit out of
of
her
them, I
brother and
think-
sister.
so yeah, I think she just shoved Matthew onto the floor. I mean, this dude's gonna have freaking brain damage or something, I swear to God. He gets beat up so much by his sisters, it's ridiculous. Most of the time though, especially for Everly, like she's very emotional. She is one emotional ass kid. Oh my God. Like, you don't even have to physically discipline her. I can look at her and just give her a look.
She
tell
knows
her.
she did wrong, yeah.
I'm like, Everly, you do that again, I'm gonna smack your butt. Her face instantly breaks down and she runs screaming, Dada gonna smack a butt, no! And then just like runs to mommy, runs to whoever else.
Dada go smack a butt.
Yeah, and then she'll tell people that I did it. She'll be like, Dada smacked my butt, give me a boo-boo. I'm like, no, I did it. I said I was going to, but I did it. It's like you tell her that you're going to, and in her mind, it just happened. And she's like, I can't believe you did it, and runs away. And I'm like, you one emotional ass kid. Now, my other daughter, she's the opposite. She's a bully. She is an asshole. She's a bully.
Who are the big cheeks?
Yeah.
She's so cute.
Dude, she is. She's definitely the cutest. But her sass, dude, is freaking hilarious. When she's mad at you, or like if I tell her I'll like smack her butt, whatever, she'll quickly turn her head away from you and flip her hair and just be like, and then she just won't look at you. And then you'll be talking to her, and I'm like, Macy, and she just kind of like gives you a little. She looks up and gives you a side eye and smirks, and then goes back to being like super mad and goes, and then makes a mad face again. And then
I sold 616s.
You do a put credit spread?
Yeah. Yes,
Nice.
check out the IB low. We don't
Yeah,
really need to.
honestly, that might.
You know, I would like to see that, but even if we end up taking that IB low while I'm in these, it's not going to hurt me much. So
I think I'm gonna have to do Qs today.
this is my third spread of the day and last one.
Hell yeah!
I'm not
Look
in
at Jordan.
though. I got
Jordan taking 3 spreads in the same day.
I know, it's kind of ridiculous.
Dog.
See, so especially with SPX.
I could have held my initial one, honestly, but I just got scared.
Like, I think it's, and this might be a hot take, and it's the reason why I don't actively trade 0DTs or buy them. Making 50% buying SPX calls, honestly, it's not that hard. If you have a decent system or simple areas of support,
you know?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
Just knowing areas of support and resistance, supply and demand, executing SPX right when it hits that area to get the reaction, you can catch a contract from $200 to $300 in the same 5-minute candle. That's your 50%. I mean, it's $100 per contract. Like, it's not hard. Now, SPX selling options for premium, for me, I think it's just as easy. I think you can catch 50% selling SPX options just as easy. And then the difference is if you don't get the big reaction right then and there like you want to, and it takes longer, the difference is if you were to have bought them, you're going to sit through theta, you're going to lose value. You have to hold it longer, wait for it to happen. And now when it does happen, you're not going to get as much gains as you would if it would have, happened initially when you wanted to. The difference with the credit spreads is it can sit there as long as it wants. And the longer it actually sits there, that's actually more beneficial for your trade before it even starts working out. So when it's like, I'll trade SPX, options here and there when it hits key areas. But I mean, spreads, especially on SPX, I mean, you can get 50% trades in the same day doing it. And it's a lot, it's less stressful than actively trying to buy and trade SPX options. Just sell them instead.
Like, my mind still says we're gonna see new lows, but I don't know.
We could, but those 616s were
my mind's
like,
telling me
I don't know, they had enough premium. I thought I'm gonna try it.
But my body's telling me how.
No, I got 12 cents, and we have $4 until those would be in the money. They're showing.
Oh, God, help me.
I do still think we can drop though. I'm with you. Got lunch in about 10 minutes. I'm going to be closing the spaces up here in the next few minutes and join Amp on stream. I know a lot of you guys were probably going to join us as well, so I'll get you guys the link. We're going to chat with Paul from Leverage Shares a little bit for the first hour during lunch, and then we'll continue with the live trading throughout the rest of the day.
My path contracts and shares are doing well. Just got a nice spike around.
I haven't re-entered that yet.
Yeah, I just opened a long on that on Friday for long term.
Ooh, oh, I should be long this thing right here.
Path?
Yeah.
Look at the weekly, look at the daily.
I'm not gonna lie, I wanted to see closer to 15 first, but the weekly, it held. I might join you. Are you in 2027 or 2020?
I'm in shares in 2028.
2028.
Yeah.
Let me see. Dude, does alerts SPY even go that far?
Yeah, you probably have to do it like 7 times.
No, it doesn't. It goes to the end of 2026. That's it.
That's not bad though.
December 25th.
Oh, I'm on IWM. I was like, why is this taking so long to get there? Okay, let me try that again.
Let me see. February, March. Wait, wait, what? Yeah, no.
What
It only does. So that means I would have to do the farthest I can do on path would be May and August of 2026.
Oh, it doesn't. It shows these contracts, but it doesn't let you go that far.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm actually 100% realizing that right now.
Yeah.
No
I wouldn't
June?
mind doing no for path. The only one, the farthest you can go out is January 2027, 2028. But for a copy trade, the only thing you can do will be August 2026 or May 2026.
Which one is the August? The 21st, right?
Yeah.
It's not even loading.
The spreads are freaking disgusting.
Yeah, it's not loading for me.
Tried to see
on there.
Oh shit. Let me click on 515 calls. No, that pulls up. The 515s do. For May. Let me try the August. No, pulls up. August pulls up. 821. Yeah. Might just have to refresh your shit.
Yeah, I don't know.
I've been having issues with a few other trades as well using the platform the last week or so. They're not showing up in my analytics after I close them out.
Oh no, yeah, now it works. Oh my god, yeah, wow, that's a horrible spread.
Yeah, right. There's no volume on it. There's volume on the 19s, but the spread is like $60.
The 2028 ones were 5 to 10 cents for every contract I looked at.
Yeah, you just can't copy trade it.
No, yeah.
Let me look at 515 spreads. Oh, no, you're good. And yeah, okay. 515 spreads are good. They're $7. The 18s are 230 and 235. The 19s are 198 and 203. So I can get a fill right now, probably for $200 on the 19s. The only issue is that still it's a little bit closer than I want. Platinum, yeah, platinum got obliterated. I wouldn't mind the 19s for May 15, 2026. I mean, you can even do the 20s or $10 spread. A little bit farther out, though. Jordan's about to catch another 50% trade on a spread right now.
I think I want to just open up put spread. Fuck it. Okay.
Oh, crew. I just hopped on the stream. Me, Emp, and Frank are hanging out. I'm going to get the link posted up top so all of you can join us as well, because we are going to be closing up the spaces here.
Hell yeah.
Yes, sir. Gonna do a little chat with Paul from Leverage Shares for this first hour during lunch, and then we'll be on to the normal stream.
I will not be on. I have to hop on a call here in 3 minutes.
All good.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Bros before hoes. Come on.
Get this posted.
Come on, 35 cents eBay. You can do it. I believe in you. No one else believes in eBay. I believe in eBay.
He believes.
I mean, you gotta try this thing. Look at this daily.
All right, I just posted the link for the stream up top. Also, if you can't find it for whatever reason, just go to the Wolf Trading timeline. It's one of the first posts on the timeline there. So join us on YouTube. We are live on X as well, but I believe it's quite delayed compared to the YouTube stream. So get on the YouTube stream if you guys want the real-time stuff. And for everybody else, we'll see you guys back on Spaces tomorrow morning. So enjoy the rest of the day. Peace out, y'all.
Sounds good.
Later. I'll be over on the YouTube stream about an hour.
Sounds good. We'll see you guys there. Nas,
Sir.
appreciate you. Maple,
Yes, sir.
appreciate you. Shout out to you guys. Make sure you guys in the audience.
Yo, much love, guys. Have a good day.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm gonna have to hop off my stream here. I have a call in a few minutes. But that is basically it. I mean, I don't really like the spreads that much today. Like, I mean, the NDX, that's why I went with Qs. I really wish we got the new low. I kind of did the Qs as well to just mitigate my risk as well, you know, a little bit better. Because if I did NQ, I basically have more at risk. With Qs, I'm doing less. Again, low day 619. We have 9 EMA at 619.25, 21 at 617.38. By then, though, we'd be out if we wouldn't even be out, and we wouldn't even be in at that point. But yeah, I'm just waiting, watching, trying to be patient. Let's see what the market brings us. So I do have to end it here. I will be in chat. If you guys have any questions, as always, feel free to ask. But let's see how let's see if the market pays us. That's the next thing here. We did get good ads on Zeta at 1988 for 100 shares. We also got that nice call that is up. Path, we're up like 10 cents on our shares from our Friday buy, and I'm up about $15 in the contract. But again, I'm not worried about those contracts. Those are 2 years out, and I want to hold those well into their 20s and hopefully 30s. So I'll keep you guys updated. We'll see what the market gives us and go from there. Everyone have a great day. If you guys have any questions, as always, again,